going active is probably the key point of any plant. It's when the days of all the money invested and all the things we have done coming to fruition. This is when it all comes together and we actually start to provide the service that this building is capable of. So now we've gone into active operations, the work we will be doing is very similar to what we've been doing in the pseudo operations phase for the last 12 months, only the building will now actually have radioactive, contaminated and active materials within the facility. What it will allow us to do is all these things we've been practicing over the last 2 to 3 years and all the documentation we've been putting in place, it will now all come to fruition and we will actually reap the rewards of all the work that has been done over that period.
I joined Sellafield about 8 years ago, and I joined straight into SMF when it was just a building site to today. Previous to that, I was in the Royal Navy, and in the Royal Navy I have brought ships into service from build, standing by in build, all the way through to actually going to sea and doing their first commission.
Used to work in the laundry, so it was a lot different from there. We've had to learn cranes, how to operate bogies, forklift truck driving, a whole new array of skills.
The unique thing about SMF, and the thing I as a building manager am the most proud of, is the culture within my team. My team have a can-do attitude. They work as one team. It is our manifesto that we all work as one team. It's like working in a big family, and the way they look after each other and the way they help each other is the one thing I am really proud of.
It does feel like SMF is now launched. We've done our harbour trials, we've done our sea trials, and we're now fully operational.
And I was the man who pressed the button.